Portfolio on Squarespace is tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use Squarespace to create our portfolio website. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes, so they provide us the opportunity to create it from scratch, or we can easily use the templates to customize them for us. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to visit squarespace.com and then just click on get started right up here or right up here. Basically it doesn't matter, so let's click somewhere, and after that we'll come to this page. They provide us the opportunity to find a lot of different templates, but firstly we can filter them by simply answering for their questions. Firstly, what's the type? Here we need to choose portfolio, of course, and after that we can use some topics here. In this case I'm going to click on popular designs, and after that I'm going to find best template as for me. So you can choose any category you need, for example food, events, fitness, and so on. So here we are on this page. We can find a lot of stuff here, and what is suitable as for us. Let's try to find something which is pretty good. I think this one is good, so we can just simply click on preview. If we are working with design, maybe this is our jobs and works we already created, so let it be like this. I'm just going to click on start with this design in the right top corner to start customizing. So after that we need to create our account. I'll just simply continue with Google, as for me this is the most suitable variant. So here I'd like to choose one of my accounts. So after that we need to wait for a little, and everything is done. We are on our page. We need to choose the title. Let it be the name of our channel. Let's click on continue, and then just keep some parts here. Click on get started, and here we are on our manage page. We cannot edit it from here, but we can change a lot of important things. Firstly, we can find all of our pages in the pages area. We can change the navigation. For example, this menu here is about here, so we can change it easily. This is the preview of our site. How does it looks like as for the viewer? So we can find it right up here and then just customize. On the design page we can customize the wall design. For example, we can change the site style here. We can change the fonts. If you come to font page, we can find the font group here. We can click on switch and then just choose the most suitable as for us. As we can see, we just simply click on some buttons here and every single font on our website is changing, which is pretty cool as for me. So we can find something interesting and it will be unique from all of these templates. So let it be like this, for example. After that we can just customize more parts, so we can change the colors. We can edit the palette here. We can find the different designs. For example, as you can see, we are just changing something and the whole website is changing. I think it's pretty cool, so let it be maybe this palette here. So I'll just go back. So as you can see, there are a lot of stuff. We can change the animation, spacing, buttons, image blocks, and so on. You can discover it by your own. I'll just choose these parts here. So if you'll click on this button, we'll come to our edit page or something like this. I'll just go back for managing to show you some more stuff. So I'll just click on save, and after that in a few seconds we'll come to our managing page. So it may take a little time, and while it's saving I wanted to explain some things here. Firstly, every single part of our website is it depends on some section. For example, this is our header. This is section with our works here. So we can easily add sections to work with them. So we can click on add section here, and as you can see, there are a lot of templates also with intro section, with contact section, about section, and so on. So let's go back to our managing page. As you can see on our main page, we also have commerce, marketing, scheduling, asset, library, and analytics. Analytics is pretty helpful as for portfolio website, so we can find the number of traffic here, how many people visited it, so visits, and so on. Also geography, sometimes it could be helpful to analyze them. So let's go back to our edit page, and here on this page we can add, as I already said, some sections with people, for example our team, products, services, like for portfolios, a lot of stuff here, for example our works and so on. So we can easily discover something which is cool as for us, and we can add. So let's for example add maybe one of quotes, so we can add it right up here. We can change the order of sections by simply clicking on this button here. So if we want to move it down, we can just do it right up here. So as you can see here, we can customize every single part. So this is where how can we deal with sections. We can remove them also, like add to favorites and so on. We can duplicate if we have like two sections which looks the same, so we can simply customize this one for example. So on this inside this section, we can edit every single part. So for example, what blocks do we have here? Like block with our quote and our photo. So if you click on photo, we can flip it, we can duplicate, or what is more interesting, we can just click on edit, and here we can change the image, we can replace it or edit, we can change the design, we can change the shape, stretch, overlay, lightbox, and so on. So as you can see, there are a lot of settings we can change. So let's for example let something like this, try to change the shape maybe for this one or for this one. So there are a lot of stuff we can customize by our own. So let it be like this. Also I'd like to change the text here, so I'm just simply click and write something like best tutorials here, like something like this. And so as you can see, every single part here is customizable, so we can just simply click everywhere and then just choose what would we like to like edit, as you can see. So easy as for me. Of course we can just edit footer, edit header, edit every single part. And when everything is ready, basically we need to click on done and then just click on save, and after that everything will be like saved, every changes will be set. So as you can see, the quote is right up here. And of course Squarespace provides us the opportunity to buy their paid plans. If you'll come to paid plans area, we can find like 4 of them, 2 like for personal usage and 2 for e-commerce. So personal and business as like for like own websites. So as you can see, business is the most popular. We can find a lot of differences here. Of course you can just come here and try to read it by yourself. And if you're going to use like it for e-commerce, you can basically find the basic or advanced e-commerce plan. So as you can see, business is the most popular, $23 per month. So you can easily start to work it with 40-day trial, and then just decide is it like interesting as for you to work with Squarespace. But this is a way of how can we create portfolio on Squarespace. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.